How's it going, Stacey?
Alright, fine.
Finally, the car's done. Nice to meet you. You okay?
Yeah, you?
It's been a few weeks, hasn't it?
It has.
So you bought a Land Rover Defender, basic box standard, wasn't it? You weren't happy with it, were you?
No.
You said there's something we need to add into this car. Just like what do you do, head review it?
I do, yeah.
Very similar. She transforms people to I do cars, and so it's a similar kind of thing, isn't it? Something comes in basic, you know what I mean? So you got to do their hair, spice them up a little bit, put a bit of a body kit on them, should I say? But that's exactly what we've done to your Land Rover Defender, and I'm telling you now, it's a beast. That's what I'm saying anyway. But when we first started, we were going for like some subtle modifications, weren't we?
Yeah.
And then as the time went on, you said, well, hang on a minute, let's add a bit of eyelashes on it, a bit of mascara, head extensions, etc. So that's what we've done. We've gone all out on this car, and we've done the interior. And that's my favourite part. I love the Falcon interior. It's really nice. And plus, it's the first white Defender that I've actually ever done. We've done a lot of black ones, grey ones, blue ones, all sorts of colours, but a white one is the first one. So I wasn't really sure.
Yeah.
And you
well, I wasn't sure at the beginning with the bonnet and stuff like that, so...
You weren't sure at all, but then you kind of like, obviously, you finally made that decision. And hopefully you've made the right one, and hopefully I've made the right one as well. But anyway, let's waste no time. Let's go show you the Land Rover Defender and do the reveal. Okay, Stacey, so right behind these shutters is your Land Rover Defender, all modified. Now, let's do the reveal. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get the shutters up. There you go, Stacey.
Oh, wow.
Come on.
Wow.
That's your Land Rover Defender, all customized.
See, we were right.
We're alright.
I was right. I was right. I chose right. I was right.
I said right as well. We painted the bonnet black actually, so we were like in two minds. One of the lads said leave it black in the workshop. I said no, white. I was the only one that said white, and then you said white as well, didn't you? What do you think? Come on.
It's beautiful.
So, big transformation.
Huge.
A full makeover. What do you call it? A bridal makeover. This is like a bridal makeover. It's like a white wedding dress, isn't it? Right, so anyway, come on, let's go down the car. We've seen the front of it, you can't get over the front.
No.
So it's got the full white Falcon body kit up there, you've got the bonnet vents on there, the new SVR style bonnet as well. You've got the wheels, off-road, tyres, Sabre 22-inch gloss black, side vents, you've got side steps on there as well. Roof rack, you've gone all out on this car, haven't you?
Yeah.
This is what I'm saying, this is a bridal makeover.
I want to look at the exhaust.
Oh, yeah, come on, an exhaust. So there you go. Look at the back.
Oh god.
Monster, isn't it?
It is.
Carbon fibre Barugzai exhaust. You've got the rear bumper with matted of all these bits of silver, remember?
Yeah.
Boring silver. They're all like that on the Defender actually. So if you do want to have a black pack on your Land Rover Defender, please give us a call. I'm doing a bit of marketing here as well. But anyway, the back of this car, we've got the Barugzai wheel cover on there. We've gone for the subtle one, we've got quite a few ones. But this one we've gone for the satin finish with the Barugzai logo. And we've got the top roof spoiler. Coming around the side of the box, you can put all your makeup in there, can't you? Look at that. You can do your mobile makeup. Do you do it from home or do you do it from the shop? From home. So why don't you tell us a little bit about your business?
I've been doing nails and stuff for the past 3 years, and then I've just passed my hair course, and I'm also going in the barbering, so...
Oh wow, brilliant.
Hopefully we'll have a nice new Ken.
No, that's good. So, have you got Instagram?
I have, yeah.
Well, is that how people get in contact with you?
Instagram, Facebook.
Well, this is her link, guys. If you want a full makeover, bridal makeover, just like this car, give Stacey a call or DM her on her Instagram. Got the gloss black wheel arches as well, and obviously complement all the lower door warnings that we painted in gloss black. They were like the boring plastic,
yeah.
So they've been colour coded. And obviously the bonnet, the SV style bonnet looks amazing on the Defender, must have. And let's talk about the main part, the interior. Your Highness, please come inside, check out the interior.
Oh wow, love it. Lovely.
You got the Barugzai carbon fibre steering wheel. And another thing that you probably not noticed as well, you know, the inside of the Defenders, all these trims are normally silver, where it says Defender on there, they're all silver. Yeah. All these panels over here are silver as well. Grab handles, all these side panels are silver. We've matted them all off in a satin black finish.
Looks beautiful.
It does, doesn't it? Totally different car, totally transformed. Carbon fibre steering wheel, and look at the Falcon interior. I don't need to talk about this. It speaks for itself, doesn't it?
It does.
High quality Napa leather interior, but make sure your boys do not damage the leather seats, please. Please guys, keep your mum's car clean, okay, at all times. And we've done the dashboard as well with the current stitching. Brilliant.
I can't thank you all enough.
Right, Stacey, so the big question is, what marks would you give this car out of 10?
That's what there's a number for it. It's like, gone millions. It's amazing.
Thank you very much, and thank you for being patient with us. Thank you for believing in us as well, because I know it was a bit of a journey. We started off with a small, simple conversion, then you just said, "Nav, go all out." You went all out on the Defender, so I respect you for that, and I'm glad me and my team pulled it off. Hopefully, obviously, you drive it down in Bradford and everybody spots it, and if you do spot the car, just take a picture and tag us in it on Instagram or TikTok or whatever, and enjoy the car with your family, with your kids as well. But kids, remember, please keep the car clean, and there's nothing else we can possibly do to this car. Nothing, because you've gone all out on it. You've got the full expedition pack, roof racks, ladders, side box, all the everything, the side steps, etc., and the full Falcon Barugzai body kit. Well, Stacey, you go down, enjoy the car, and don't forget, guys, if you do want a makeover in person, do contact Stacey, okay, guys? Don't forget. But anyway, that's the Land Rover Defender, all complete. Stacey's happy with the car, and to be honest with you, I think white looks brilliant. I think it's all done, looks immaculate, but the main thing is Stacey is happy with the car. So, if you do have a Land Rover Defender and you want to customise it, please message us, or you can call us on the number below, or you can even message me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. And like I said, anything Defender, please give us a shout. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next vlog.